Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A good rule for finding leafy greens that your dog can eat is to stick to those that you would consume. Lettuce, spinach, chard, cabbage and kale are all okay for dogs. Besides being rich in vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, iron and potassium, leafy greens are also a good source of fiber.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Try chopping, lightly steaming, and adding to Max's dinner. Kale is low in calories. 100 grams of kale has 50 C, and is a source of calcium, magnesium, potassium, and beta-carotene. You can feed leafy greens such as kale raw, lightly cooked, or dried.
Take our lead.
Leafy greens like kale are also high in calcium, magnesium, potassium and iron, which support healthy bones, and a healthy heart. As it's vitamin-packed, feeding your dog kale can support vision and colon health, liver detoxification, and fight off infections.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Kale might be nutritious for humans, but keep it away from your dogs. Lots of pet owners have started feeding kale ribs to their dogs as a treat, but kale is high in calcium oxalate, which can cause health issues including kidney and bladder stones.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Veggies and fruits dogs shouldn't have. Grapes, raisins, and currants are toxic to dogs and can cause kidney failure in some. Onions, garlic, and chives can be harmful in large amounts. Mushrooms from the grocery store may be safe, but wild mushrooms are toxic for dogs.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.